Yo, what's up, everybody? How's it going today? So, I decided that it's impossible for me to do a premium video and trade at the same time, or sorry, separately. It's not really possible because it takes up too much time because I'm going through over the same material twice. So, what I decided to do is just kind of live trade while I do technical analysis for you guys, and you guys don't have a choice. So, you guys know what size account I'm playing on for this live trading challenge. It'll be way higher when I finish this challenge to 5,000. So right now, it's at $4,000. If you're following all of my trades, they're fucking stellar. I only lost one trade out of 14 so far because I was really tired, like super duper tired. It was like 4 in the morning. I was up for like 18 hours or something. I'm just super tired. It was after having that $1,000 marathon from when I started with like 2K ish. So yeah, so it's at $4,000 now, and I'm gonna call it quits at 5, and then I'll release the videos. It's very long. There's 65 videos so far that I recorded like on and off. So right now we're gonna do a market scan and also live trade if I have to. Okay. Yeah. So right now Bitcoin has attempted to hit that high. Good for you, Bitcoin, so far, 19,400. It is with 100% certainty that Bitcoin will reach the all-time high. With this much sentiment in the market, I will bank on it so hard that we're going to definitely reach it. Bitcoin dominance has really waned off though, right? It's completely subsided. It was at 66% earlier, now at 61 because a lot of alts are rallying extremely hard right now. So let's get into this. XLM is gonna just kind of stay there, okay? Which I'm gonna keep just XLM up on my other screen over here because I don't want to miss out on anything. Oh, and Alpha actually. So Alpha is the two that we're gonna keep on our windows today, where we're gonna be monitoring it like a hawk. Okay, so right now, Stellar is just on my mind. But I think that we're like 5 waves in already, and I think that we're coming to the downside. I also think that I think that Alpha is also coming to the downside. I'm just measuring something. I'll bring it to the window in a second. Okay, 95%, the 23rd here. This guy does. How much does this guy do? 54%. So Stellar is the one to be trading because if you take a look right now, okay, let's just say I go to 2 charts here. 2 charts. So one is going to be for Stellar, one's for Alpha actually. Okay, Alpha just got really promoted. These guys kind of have to take a back burner because they're going to take too much priority. So I just downgraded all of those guys. Okay. So Alpha right now is the hottest because if you take a look on it, whoops, take a look on here. It's like from this breakout, like around the 5th here. It's done. It's done 177%. Okay, that's pretty major. And then we take a look at Alpha. XRP can stay there, sure. Alpha from the 16th, or sorry, from the 6th, it's done like 1,000%. That's kind of like outrageous, and it's still on the way up right now. So these two are heavily on our list. So we have to do kind of both of them simultaneously to see which one is a better choice. So you see Alpha here, it's gone up 50%. Here it's gone up only about 41%. So Alpha is kind of like it's been promoted. Overall, sure, Stellar moved more over 24 hours, but XLM is just overall. Or sorry, I mean XLM moved more in 24 hours, but overall, Alpha is just kind of dominating it right now, and I think they're 5 waves in. Like I really think they're 5 waves in. So let's take a look at on daily first of all, okay, to see our next opportunity here. So we see our daily, and we see that Alpha has it's at 89, 89 for both of them. Whoa, for the daily, 91 for Stellar, 89 right now for Alpha on the daily. On the 12-hour, no bearishly diverging yet. In fact, Stellar still got a lot of ways to go, whereas Alpha made a peak already. Made a peak there, and now it's like, it's lower, but we don't have a lot of data to compare. So the 8-hour right here, The 8 hour, we're seeing it still go upwards to the sky for alpha, but we take a look on XLM and we're seeing it's actually 94 RSI. So they're both showing massive signs of downtrend right now. So 6 hour right now, okay, we got stellar here getting really high on the 6 hour before, but still going up. There's no bearish diverging yet. Yeah, so I don't see any type of bearish diverging at all. Do you guys? No, I just see like it very bullish for XLM right now. And then the 4 hour, 4 hour still going up for alpha. For XLM is still going upwards as well. So we're trying to figure out the last wave in XLM there. Okay, like on the 3 hour, we're seeing it bearishly diverge now. Like if you compare that peak to that peak on the 4 hour a little bit, but the 3 hour, it's like that one was so bad. Those series right here. But of course, that was impossible to short that really, like on the 3 hour. So we're like, and there was no price action really that was dictating it. It was you'd have to go play by like the minute chart. So just going down the list here, everyone's still pushing up to the sky. So this 30-minute chart's interesting. Like it's setting up for a drop right now for alpha. Like a 30-minute chart drop, the MACD is just how it is. But I don't know how this structures. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Like I don't fucking know. How much of a rise is 5%? That's crazy. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Or is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC. That's 3. That's gotta be a 3 because of the parabola. So I'm gonna wait right now to see if it's gonna break here. Let's add an alert. Okay, every time it passes, 5 seconds. And then I'm going to add an alert here as well to see if it breaks to the upside. So I want to be notified because if it breaks down, I know it's going to be shorting material. If it breaks upwards, I'm still going to enter a short. So either way, I'm going to enter a short. But I'm using this support right here to see what's going on. Okay, so we're seeing here, I'm going to put an alert here for stellar. Right, just in case it breaks above there. And I go to every time, not just once. I keep forgetting about that. Unless I change it already and I don't know that I changed it. And this one's nice right here, okay? I'm going to go now to another alert here. Add it every time. Just kind of around this vicinity. So now we're going to go lower time frame and we're going to see if this is going to break out. Okay, we're right there at the resistance. So I'm not in the position or anything at all right now, but XLM, just looking at the level 2. Right, so the high is roughly around almost 20 cents there. The depth on a lower time frame, it's not really revealing too much. There's a big resistance around there, the 20 cent range, but it seems like it's pretty even right now already. Very even, wouldn't you say? Okay, so then let's keep going here. So we have our alerts here for alpha and XLM. Let's take a look at XRP now. Okay, XRP. Okay, so the thing I want to point out about alpha is that it just made a new high like half an hour or an hour ago. XLM made the high about 3 hours ago. XRP made the high like 14 hours ago, right? So they're in a deeper correction phase than we are right now. And if we can learn anything from these guys is that like, well, XRP is actually trying to break above here. Holy shit, that's fucking wicked. So many volatile coins today. I'm on top of it, guys. I hope you are too. Adding alerts left and right. I want to be notified. Notify me. Okay, so this is kind of a weird thing going on with waves. I just want to put an alert here if it breaks down. Probably will. It's only 2%, but I want to know. LTC was making another high. What the fuck? This is kind of like pulling in Ethereum. You know what? Let's get Ethereum up there. And LTC. Let's look at Ethereum first. Ethereum kind of shot right back up. It wants to come down. Trust me, it really wants to, but the bulls might just come to save the day. So you gotta really be careful of this range. I mean it. I'm gonna put mine right above here. Add alert. I'll put it below here too, around the 603. Anytime any of these guys change, I'll know right away. LTC is channeling up. I think it is. Almost looks like Ethereum. Now it made the 5th in there. I don't know what this was. I have no fucking idea. Couldn't even begin to tell you. Because I can't remember. I've been focusing on so many other coins, even though I've done a deep TA on it. I legitimately just can't remember. That's probably Subway 1, and that's a 2 going up there then. Yeah, I can't do this right now. No, this is the 5. Oh my god. Fuck, it is. Shit. This is it. This is what I've been talking about. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Because remember we talked about that's got to be a 1 no matter what. That's got to be a 2. And then we decided that this one here. Okay, I'll go check that right away. Right, that's there. And this makes a 2 down there. Right, makes a 2 down there. Remember that? 2 down there. And then this makes a 1, 2. And I think that this makes a 3, 4, and a 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's making a 5 right now as we speak. That's 2. So this is the top of the 3rd wave. Oh my god. You just got promoted all of a sudden. LTC to really high up there. Okay, let's go check out the markets. Okay, let's go check out my alert first. What's going on here? Okay, so alert log. What did it cross? The high. Oh wow, it breached it. It's trying to breach it. Great. I don't think it's gonna breach it. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 right there. I think that actually failed miserably. I'm not kidding. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I legitimately think that it failed. 20-minute. Interesting, huh? It's probably only the first subwave of the 5, though. Right? Do you know what I mean? I don't think that it's going parabolic almost. The volume is really shitty, I have to admit. Oh wow, he got rejected very fast. So Stellar is pretty volatile right now. I'm gonna put one. Yeah, no, that's okay. I'll keep it that for now. We're good. All right, so LTC just got promoted. Remember? Because it's like really high up there, and there's a good chance it's gonna break down very soon. Actually, could be today. These structures don't go up forever in a channel like that. And if it did come down, they would probably take a whole retracement range. I'm guessing. This one here, LTC would probably get to roughly $77. It's 12%. XRP is really trying to break this right now. XRP, Alpha, Stellar. Okay, let's check out the volume and see what's hot. My lips are so dry right now. Dear goodness, gosh. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's sorted by volume right now. XRP is actually starting to win the pace in terms of volume. That's why it's on high priority. Ethereum is not on our high priority because it's not reaching a local high again, is it? Kind of is. Kinda. Yeah, I think it corrected more than others. So I'm going to keep looking at this. So XLM obviously is on our radar. ADA is kind of on it. TRX is not on it. It's certainly picked up in volume though, TRX. So maybe that will give that a glance. Dash, maybe I'll look at Dash. 27% as well. So there's just so many fucking opportunities. Dear God. You just gotta have monitors, 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 monitors. Real estate. I don't have enough. Getting frustrated I can't follow all the coins because I don't have enough. I'm gonna buy more though. Today probably. I'll probably buy two 27-inch monitors. Just put them right over my 49-inch. Yeah, I was gonna get another one of these ones, but it's like I don't want to pay like 1,500, 2,000 again. I'll just get like two monitors for like 600, 700. You know, everyone's got a budget, right? I don't want to overspend on monitors when I don't really need them for quality. Like for immense quality. Like the first one's good enough, I realized. But I wouldn't have noticed any difference if I bought any other monitor. That's what I realized as well. So Dash here is it's pretty high on our side, but nothing like extreme. It's still on its way up. So because it's still on its way up, we actually get to move this guy quite up. So I think we're gonna move it to medium priority. I'm gonna call this one rallying. Okay. So I think we kind of got everything here. It's kind of a long one. Like I'm just trying to find a video, like a trade for you guys or for me. So XLM broke out. I think it did. No, not yet. I gotta put XLM up here. The volume is winning. See the volume? It's winning pretty hard. Yeah, I like it. And where's Alpha? I don't even see Alpha on here, do you? I'm scrolling enough. I'll just type it in. Alpha, it's got 23 mil. Fuck that. It's not that interesting anymore. It just got demoted. Like to lower, to medium. Too many coins that have too many good things to do right now. Okay, this coin is like just really fucking biting the dust. I think that's it, man. I think that's legitimately it. I'm not kidding. I think this is it. Like this, for this particular wave. It's gotta be. I mean, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right now as we speak. Volume is picking up though. Are we picking up in volume? Not really. I think I'm shorting this. I'm gonna go multiply by 3, 4,000 is 12,000 max. I'm gonna go a third of my position in right now. See it's struggling right here. Do you? I don't think this is gonna go up. I'm gonna go a little bit here. I'm just looking at the level 2 right now to see how this rounds out. It's pretty intense right now, I have to admit. Let's see if I change this, if it's gonna change with me. Oh, it does change with me. That's amazing. This is kind of an intense green. Let's not go that intense, Phil. Yeah, I think it's down. Done. So I just placed a limit here. I'm in a position now. For a little bit. Not much. It's probably a bullish flag. Okay, let's update this now then. Let's go through the spreadsheet and everything. Tired. You guys tired or what? Tired to see me win yet? You guys tired to see me win? Clearly we're gonna fill all this up, so I may as well just fucking do it now. You know what I'm saying? Whoops. There we go. This one here, I am in the 15th trade. Yeah, I'm in the 15th trade. And I think that only these ones are deleted. Yeah. Okay. So 15. November 23rd. XLM again. Short. We don't know how much I'm in the position for yet. Oh, this one is the opening balance. Never mind. How's it looking there, bad boy? Yeah, you can go a little bit more, Philly. Let's go another 30% here. So I got 2K left, which means I played about half. So 2,000 times 3, I'm in a position for 6,000 right now. Yeah, 6,000. So let's go to the calculator here. I'm in the short for 28,636 coins. Base price of 0.19643. My target is going to be right here. It's going to be pretty generous, actually. This is done. This wave is done. Trust me, guys. We're like really, really at the top. Like, fuck, are we ever at the top? I just want to catch the top. I was going to say something inappropriate. Sorry. That's got to be, like, that's got to be 1, whatever the fuck it is. That's got to be 2, or sorry, 1. That's going to be 2 down there. That's got to be, sorry, that's got to be 1. That's got to be 2. That's got to be 3. That's going to be 4. That's got to be 5. There's no other way to see it. Because we're getting way lower highs. So I'm going to target something monstrous. Like, I'll target this entire fucking wave first. Okay, guys? I mean it. I'm going to target this whole wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 5 right there. I want to finish this challenge, and I'm going to finish it strong, okay? You know how hard this challenge was to get started from such a small account? To play? Like, it was hard. I mean, you guys might think it's easy, but I just make it look easy, and I just don't show emotion. But trust me, man, I'm stressed out to the max trying to get this to 5,000 for you guys in a timely manner. So if it goes down here on 6,000, like, that's another 8% right there that I'm going to nail. Nice. We're doing great today. Okay, so back to technical analysis, right? So then, yeah, I'm sorry for getting, like, I'm just getting worked up right now. I'm, like, in the zone, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to balance doing TA and live trade, and I wasn't really comfortable doing live trading during TA before, but I figured if I do a challenge on a smaller account, that I'd be more comfortable. You know, does that make sense? Right? So, yeah, so anyways, it's doing all right so far. I don't know if this is the top, to be honest. I'm having trouble speaking lately. My tongue hurts. You guys remember from what? Yeah, so we're at a local top here right now. I don't know what we're trying to do. I don't think we're going to break it. Not yet, at least. Definitely not this early. Like, hell no. Maybe. Actually, sorry, I'm still on a low time frame. I thought I was looking at a high time frame for some weird reason. So I'm up $12. Don't think it's going to break. Huh. Come on. Maybe a tiny, tiny little one. Give me a tiny little one. There you go. The volume is just shit right now. Okay. Alert log, XRP, crossing. Okay, so XRP is trying to make a rally to the top here, right? So after this happens, you know that you now know what's going on. Move it a little bit higher. So you know that this is trying to make a rally. So you're like, are you gonna rally to get another 4% to get to the top there? Is that what it's doing? Well, can you actually catch it? Maybe. Ha! I'm not kidding. Maybe. This is gonna retrace this entire one here, 8% something of something. So I think it is actually gonna try to go for it. Watch. I'm not going to go into it because I'm already exercised or focused on my trade. And I'm going to exercise that discipline of just making sure I stay on it. So here, like, what is the high here, roughly? 7.7. We're at 7.42, 7.43. No bearish diverging yet on any of the time frame. Not on the low ones, I mean, for price action trading. Some for 5. I'm trying to get to 7-7, right? It's going. Let's see if I can go to XRP. It's going. I don't know if I'm going to short it. I don't know what I'm going to do. So it's definitely on our watch list right now. You guys see me doing pretty well on the watch list, right? LTC, I don't think so, bro. Get out of here. No, I don't like that indecision candle. I want a bullish as fuck candle. Like, this one's nice, I have to admit. I just don't like alpha because of the volume. Waves is not nice. This one's already correcting. Dash is still bullish. Actually, it's going to get upgraded to buy alpha. None of these are nice. Link, no thanks. You do nothing. Look at this. 3 in a row. How I group them. Omizigo, dot, vet, all of that little bear spinning top shit. No, none of them. Don't like any of you. I mean that. I really, really mean that. I don't like any of them. Okay, we go back here. Hexalem. Fuck yeah, this is the best one to be trading. Just reach the high. And XRP. There we go. I said we get to 7-7, remember? Remember I said 7-7? It's exactly where that's at. Let's get this one to... Honestly, if I could be consistent for another 2 months, in terms of like consistently making videos and live trading for you guys, I'll consider opening up like a very limited amount, because it's not about me not being able to do it. Like I can make the trades and everything and make the good calls. It's not about that. It's more like, can I be consistent enough? So if I can be consistent enough to manage the premium group for about 2 or 3 more months where I'm on top of it and I'm making good calls and I'm also making good profit live trading and you guys are making good profit, if all the stars align and my confidence is up there where I'm like, yeah, I'm ready to take this to a live trading level, to have like a really like a different group, like a premium group tier 2 where people would pay way more to have something way more, which would be to like, I'm talking about only 100 people would be allowed in, not even, maybe at first like 20 people, 20 or 50. I handpick them based on the comments that you guys have left, etc. And the personality types as well, right? That's really important. So the 20 of us, say we'll get into a room. Yeah, we'll get into a room and we'll, like a chat room on Discord, and we'll just trade together. You know, I'm the leader. Like I run the group, right? Obviously. And we're going to have a very similar set of skills in terms of analyzing it my way. It's not your way. Like you're not going to be bringing in things like you know, like Ichimoku clouds and crap like that into this and try to do analysis on there and try to introduce it to me, because I don't use that. You're going to be the one using what I used, which is RSI, MACD, Elliott wave theory, etc. We're not going to be using like harmonics or crap like that. Well, not crap, but stuff like that. You know what I mean? So this way, when we get together in the morning, we all scan it and then we share our data, that we all plan entries differently and see which ones are the best ones, right? That we all grow together, or I help you guys grow basically. And I would probably only allow like 20 people in it a month, and it'd be substantially much more. Yeah, I haven't decided on the price yet, but I would imagine anywhere between 200 to 500 a month for this, for it to be worthwhile my time. Because I can, let's face it, I could shut down everything and I can just live trade. I can just trade for myself, and I would be 4 times more profitable than everything combined. Put it that way, 5 maybe. But I enjoy doing this. I have to admit, like, don't take that the wrong way, okay? I'm just saying that, like, you know, we give and we take, right? And when you really think about it, if you're in a premium group with me, if you're paying three to $500 a month, is it really gonna matter at the end of the day if you're trading with like a $5,000 to $10,000 bankroll a month? Like considering you're trading with me, right? Like, I'm pretty confident enough to say that you're trading with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not some Joe Blow wannabe. Let's just start making a crypto account, on YouTube and because everyone else is doing it. No, man, I'm one of the fucking original G's that started making YouTube videos in like 2017 early. You know what I'm saying? Like doing technical analysis even before the bull market, writing in forums in 2016 about Ethereum, right? Helping people get started. Like I'm one of those guys, man. Not one of those little followers on like all these wannabe traders. Like it's so funny. Shit. It makes me laugh my dick off. I'm sorry, my language is a little bit vulgar today. But when I trade, you guys know that about me in the mornings or the afternoons. When I get up, man, I'm like on fire, right? My personality, whatever. So here's XRP, right? Come on, it's okay. 77. Watch. Watch. Look how cheap Binance is. For Binance, you can't even add an alert. Look, there's no add alert. It's funny. I'll be back later, guys. This was long so far. P started dropping off of a cliff right now. I'm in a sick ass position right now for XLM. I'll re up another $180. Right, XRP just fell off of a cliff. If anybody is watching right now, I'm currently uploading the new video for today already. It's just processing. That's for the public, but it's a pretty bearish day across the board is what I'm getting to. I didn't even talk about a long opportunity one time in this video. It's basically just going over what I think is going to drop today. And my big priorities today are XLM at XRP. Alpha is kind of in between there, so Alpha is getting up there as well. I got literally alerts like everywhere you can imagine today. So, so I'd highly recommend for you guys to also just set your alerts up for the day. Right, this way if it gets somewhere, you'll know exactly what kind of positioning you're in or where these prices are. If you look at any of these coins, you'll see it dropping today already. So that's on a 30-minute chart too. If you go on a higher time frame, you'll see XRP start to capitulate really hard here, 6% already. XLM is dropping hard as well, right? 5% here as well. We ended up double topping here, and now instead of getting an ascending type of triangle, we're just coming to the downside. So of course I'm going to enter a short position, and of course I'm going to get a short position pretty much right from the top, 196, like a goddamn boss, because that's what I am, right? Right, baby whales? That's what I am. Like a boss. I'm a mama whale. Yeah! So, pretty good trade, right, guys? All you gotta do is be in the premium group, and you know that there's gonna be opportunities, man. Damn! That was a good call, baby whales. Look at this shit. Mama whale's up 500 American dollars already today. This thing's gonna drop off of a cliff. If we have caught the top, this thing is... Ooh, baby, give me alerts. Give me alerts. I like hearing you. I love hearing you. Should I close this right now? Yeah, I should probably close this right now at 182. So give me a bam today, guys. Trade so far $350. Ooh, baby, I'm taking this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bam! Close it. And filled, guys. That was a great trade. Great trade. So check this out right here. All right, that was wicked, man. So we grew it to $4,300 now from there. So this was the last trade. Look how quick it was, okay? Entered at 143, closed it at 202. So it's a 20-minute trade only. That was so freaking fast. Incredibly fast for... So we now are at $4,300 here. We started with 48.29. So this was our biggest trade, okay? One of our second biggest trade. This is the biggest one right there, 410. But the percentage-wise, where we went up, it's on par with that one as well from way back then. That was a big percentage gain. This one was a 4.55% gain. That was huge, right? That was an awesome gain, actually. This one here, 8.8K for about 3.2. That was a nice one as well. So this one does a pretty good size, $6,000, 4.55, 20-minute trade, and it grew it by 15%. So we've now grown this account size by literally how much again? I think something like 850% now, or something like that. 800 and like, yeah, 15%. So substantial amount, doing really well. Everything is capitulating right now. We're probably gonna find a support very soon that we can actually long. So I think it's bearish across the board all day today. And yeah, this was a really awesome trade. So I'm gonna release this whole video in a series sometime soon. You guys are just getting like snippets of it on Twitter pretty much, and a little bit on YouTube as well. Once I get this to $5,000, that's where the trading challenge officially ends, and who knows what else I'll do after that. I want to get back to a big account. So anyways, bam guys, awesome trade.